Hello, good morning, happy weekend. I decided to take a walk on Front Street on my way to the meeting place where and I will meet today because I'd like to do a walking tour of Front Street. Here I am. Front Street is the most popular street in Bermuda and it has so many hundreds of years old buildings. It's already summer. The flowers are still in bloom. I really love the look of the buildings here. They remind me of old England. And you know why? It's because Bermuda is a British territory. There's Rosa's, one of my favorite restaurants here because it has Filipino food. Many poles here have flags and there are two flags, one of Bermuda and one of the UK. It's not enough that the UK flag is there because the UK flag is also in the Bermuda flag. Let's continue our walk. Here's the cargo docks. And this is the City Hall, maybe. Not considering white and gray, pink is the most common color here in Bermuda. We have pink buildings, pink buses, pink poles. Pink flowers, pink flags. I really love the palm trees here. Look at them. Okay, I did not anticipate that it's gonna be a long walk. I just hope I make it before 9 o'clock, which is our meeting time. I still have some 10 minutes. More pink flowers. Pubs. You might have noticed that there are a lot of motorcycles here. Yep. There's the ferry that I think is from St. George's. This is one of the most interesting buildings here. Flanagan's Irish Pub. See, it even has a reference to the UK. Here in Front Street, you have the view of these nice buildings and this beautiful body of water. Butterfield is one of the three main banks here in Bermuda, HSBC and Clarion Bank being the two others. We have here some electric scooters. I don't know what they are called. Here's the stage that is used when there are main events here in Front Street. And when there are events, the road is closed. I love these flowers. There are yellow version and red version. Some buildings have names like Chatham House, and there are buildings that come with the numbers, say 59 Front. And we have here 55 Front Street.
picture of me?
Oh, yes. Thank you. Oh, no? Can I?
You want a picture of me?
Can I do this? No?
A picture of me hanging on your wall.
Oh, no. Just for memory's sake, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Another restaurant that I like is the Pickled Onion Bar and Restaurant. There are many parking areas here in Front Street because people go here a lot. Or they park there and they go to their offices elsewhere in Hamilton. There's Marks and Spencer there and Lusso Boutique. English Sports Shop, Caliso. And here is a public restroom. Free of charge, you can use, and it's clean. There's HSBC, one of the 3 main banks here in Bermuda. And finally, here are my 2 favorite buildings in Bermuda. Brown & Company and Wine Gosling's Brothers Limited Spirits. There are seats here. You can take a seat and do some car watching, people watching, or whatever. There's the famous Bermuda sign where you can have your picture taken. This is probably the most photographed building in Bermuda. And it reminds us of the time when the windows had those designs. So very few buildings now have windows with that kind of structure and design. Let's move forward. This is the Bermuda Tourism Office. So if you're a tourist, you wanna get some information, you can come here. The opening hours are 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. daily. We're almost at the end of the tour because it will end at the ferry station. And that is the ferry station, which also happens to be where I will meet my friend. I might not be able to vlog later. There's the ferry, which I think just came in from St. George's, and it's headed somewhere now. I'll do a vlog later on a ferry ride. There's the ferry station where you can buy your tickets. There's D'Angelini's, a cafe or pub. I'll try this one day. So there's the end of my walking tour of Front Street. And I actually still have some time. Still have 2 minutes. But before goodbye, here's one more look of the beautiful Front Street of Bermuda.